Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the phone for the update. This prevents interruptions. First, make sure battery is at least 50% or plug into a charger so the installation won't stop. Once charged, back up your contacts and photos to Samsung Cloud or a local PC. This preserves data if anything goes wrong. Now connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and disable VPN and power-saving features so downloads and verification proceed smoothly. These steps reduce risk and speed the process. You now perform the actual download and install. This is where patience matters. Open Settings, navigate to Software Update, and choose Download and Install so the phone checks Samsung servers. If an update appears, tap Download. Large files may take minutes on slower connections, so monitor progress and don't interrupt. When prompted, accept any permissions and follow on-screen instructions. Once download completes, the device will schedule or immediately reboot to apply the update, which finalizes system files. You finish by verifying the update and handling issues if needed. After reboot, confirm the new version under About Phone and Software Information so you know changes took effect. If the update fails, clear the cache partition or retry using Samsung Smart Switch on a PC. This often resolves corrupted download problems. Make sure you have backups before retrying. If errors persist, contact Samsung support for guided recovery steps because they can provide logs and escalate firmware fixes when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.